Member onboarding allows you to control what your new members see when they're first onboarded into your community. So let's navigate to the admin panel, go to members, and click on onboarding. And here you see a series of steps. So the first step is a welcome message, and you can actually turn this on or off. Each step you can control by turning these toggles on and off. But let's just click on this, and you can see that this is the welcome message when they first join the community. You could choose to edit this and save your changes. Let's exit without saving. Next, there's a set of guidelines. We have some default guidelines, which you can leave on or off. And the profile step allows members to basically complete their bio. And then finally, there's tell us about yourself. And this is where you can really add custom profile fields. So these are profile fields that we've added to the member area, and it allows you to capture additional information that can be either private or displayed on their profile. If you ever want to preview what it looks like to be a member onboarding into your community, just click on the preview onboarding link. And here you'll see the welcome message. You can go through each step and actually see what it would look like. So here we are now, we're at the stage where we're actually saying, okay, let's collect a URL. Let's actually ask which topics they're most interested in. So it's a really clean way for you to capture more information about every member that's coming onto to your community.